Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So guys, in this video I will be transforming this old and damaged wig to this beauty right here, guys. So if you want to watch the process and how it was done, kindly keep on watching. Thank you. So guys, this is what our hair was looking like before revamping. At this point it was tangled, damaged. This is that point you even want to throw the hair away, but if you have such hair, don't do that. Yes, it's just watch and learn. So first what I do is get the hair line by line. Your wigs are always made line by line, so I get the first line down, then I go up, then up till I get to where your frontal or your closure is. So get the first line first. So I use this clip to hold the hair together. You see what I'll use it for later in the video. So I get the hair line by line. So I'm still on the first line trying to get it. The hair was tangled. You can even see how I was sweating. The hair was tangled, so the struggle to get that hair, the first line. So you can see what I'm using the clip for, to hold the hair together so it doesn't disturb what I'm working with down. So first I try to comb the hair, comb that first part, because this hair was tangled, so I needed to comb it to be free. It's just like your natural hair. Try to comb it before washing and before applying any treatment. You just comb it out first. So guys, no matter that's the struggle, that's the struggle of combing. No matter how damaged that hair is, whenever you want to treat the hair, you want to revamp the hair, just try as much as possible to comb it first. Comb it first. You have detangling brush, you can use your detangling brush, you can use any comb that works for you. This works for me, so I use this particular comb. Try to comb your hair first before applying anything. So now at this point the hair was a little bit better. You can see that the comb is moving freely now, better than before. So it's just try as much as possible to comb it till it gets better than before. It might not be perfect, but at least it gets better than it was before you started combing. So I'm still combing. You can see I've moved to the next line, I moved to the next line. I try to fast forward this so this video doesn't get boring. Just comb line by line as your wig was made line by line. So you can see now the hair is actually looking a little bit better when you comb it. You know, normally when you wear your wigs, you just comb on top. No, you don't comb line by line, and then it gets tangled along the line. So at this point, you take care of it by combing it line by line, and you can see that it's a little bit better than before. I'm still combing the hair. Now at this point I've gotten to the front part, and this hair is a frontal wig, so at this point it doesn't have line by line anymore, so I just brush back. So I'm still brushing back, continue brushing. So now I'm using a smaller comb for the hair. So the frontal part most times are all not really that difficult to comb out. So I'm using a smaller comb. I'm trying to be gentle also with it. So I still go back to the bigger comb. At this point, so the next what we're going to do is to wash the hair. I'm using my Bella Star shampoo, which is sulfate free. Any shampoo you're going to use to wash your wigs, your bundles, make sure it's sulfate free. So this is a warm water. It's not hot, neither cold. It's lukewarm water. I'm pouring the shampoo into the water. Then next I dip the hair into the water where we have our shampoo. So this is that process where you wash the hair. Continue washing. Don't wash like you're washing the clothes, and don't be so hard. Just be gentle with the hair. And when you're also washing your wigs, focus on the cap. The cap has direct contact with your hair, so most time just focus on the cap. Also wash the hair also, but try as much as possible to wash the cap. You can see how dirty the water was. The hair was dirty, so you don't wash just once. You wash twice, 3 times till it's not this dirty. I try to comb it out so it doesn't get tangled at any point. So this is the second time I'm washing the hair, because the first time the water was too dirty. So I continue washing with the same Bella Star shampoo. I still try to comb at every point so the hair doesn't get tangled. Just not comb so hard, just gently comb it out so it doesn't get tangled. That's the point. I dip the hair back into the water and still wash. So I'm done washing. Now I'm going to rinse the hair. I'm rinsing the hair in a lukewarm water also, not hot, not cold. Please take note, not hot, not cold. And this was like the second or third time I was rinsing the hair. I lost the footage for the first time. Trust me, the hair was dirty while rinsing it for the first time. So this is like third time. You can see I'm showing you the water, how clean the water is now. So you rinse the hair as much as possible. Be generous with the water, please. Lukewarm water, not cold, not hot, please. So next we are preparing the treatment. That's a cholesterol tea tree oil. This is hair mayonnaise and our Bella Star nourishing conditioner. Next is coconut oil. So these are our coconut oil. These are the 4 items I'll be using for the hair treatment. I have my bowl where I mix it together. So first I'll be pouring the macadamia nourishing conditioner into the bowl. So I pour in like 2 spoons of this macadamia. So next will be our cholesterol tea tree oil. So I put like 1.5 spoon of this. Next will be our hair mayonnaise, and the hair mayonnaise I use 2 spoons. I'm more generous with the hair mayonnaise. So you can see 2 spoons of hair mayonnaise. So lastly will be our coconut oil. Just few drops. I don't measure the coconut oil actually, but just few drops. So you see what I pour in, not so much, and that's it basically. So I mix all that together. Watch me mix. I mix all that together till it's well mixed. How do you know it's well mixed? When you don't see different colors around, all are mixed to one color. This won't take more than 1 minute to mix. Just mix together, mix together. If you don't have salt, you can use your spoon or get something similar to this to mix. You can use any bowl around that can serve as a mixer. So next I bring our hair to the table. So this is our hair we just washed and rinsed. So I'm applying it's still wet actually, the hair is still wet. I'm applying the treatment on the hair right now. I don't apply line by line at this point, so I just apply around it. Make sure it goes round, make sure it touch every part of the hair. So just continue applying the treatment. This is the main treatment actually. This is the main treatment. This is what revamps the hair. This is what changes the game. So we try to apply it every corner of the hair. So next, the treatment is still on the hair. I try to comb it out. Remember, at every point you miss, the hair might just tangle. So I still try to comb it at every point. So I'm done combing. This is our Ziploc bag. I put the hair into the Ziploc bag to steam for some time. So that's even with the treatment on the hair. I put it into the Ziploc bag. So next, I'm putting it into a hot water. That's a hot water. This is not cold, not warm at this point. It's hot water. It stays for like 45 minutes. I take it out. Probably 1 hour. It depends on you. Now taking it out, I take the hair out from the Ziploc bag and put it into a bowl of water. Warm water actually. Now, not hot again. Warm water. Now I'm trying to rinse off the treatment of the hair. So this is our hair after the treatment. I'm still trying to comb. The hair is softer at this point. Trust me, the hair was soft at this point because of the treatment. Yes. So I'm done rinsing the hair now. This is our hair after rinsing. Back on the mannequin. So this is the point where we try to style it. So for this video, we are going to be using our bending rollers to style this hair. So I still go back to lining the hair line by line, start from the line down then up. I still get the first line. The hair is still wet, by the way. After rinsing it, immediately after rinsing the treatment off the hair, I still use my clip to hold it together. The point, so if you don't have this clip, you can use rubber band, you can use whatever works for you. So I still try to comb the hair, comb. So this is what we are going to be applying on the hair now. Mega Growth Leave-In Conditioner. This is what I'll be using to roll the hair. This also helps to soften the hair more, and when styling the hair, the style lasts longer. Not so much. I just take a little and rub it around the hair. So this is the bending rollers we are using to roll our hair. You see me when I'm rolling the hair. In case you don't know how to roll the hair, I'll do a close view. Add the close view part where you see when I'm rolling the hair. Sorry, this part was kind of cut off. I didn't notice that early. So this is me rolling the hair after applying the Mega Growth Leave-In Conditioner. I take it. I don't pack it. I don't use it too much, rather. So I don't take too much hair also. Just, it depends on the style you want to create. For me, I just take small. So this is me rolling the hair. Apply your Mega Growth Leave-In Conditioner first. Try to comb it out. then roll, roll, roll. If you look closely, you will notice the leave-in conditioner. Don't worry about it. It will dry and it will be a problem. So this is after rolling the head. I was done rolling the hair. This is what it looks like after rolling. So I just leave it to stay, leave it in front of my window for like 4 days to allow it dry. So this is 4 days later, guys. 4 days later, the hair was dry. It depends on your environment. It can take a week, but please don't sun dry it. Don't take it out onto the sun. Just leave it to air dry, basically. 3-4 days, 1 week. So this is what our coils is looking like. At this point I was excited. I know you are too. So this is what our coils was looking like. So after removing the bending rollers, this is what our hair was looking like. So next I'm going to be using the LiQWYD serum to apply in the hair. Not so much, please, just a little. See what I'm doing, just pressed on the hair, just to add some shine to the hair and also some nice fragrance. So next I'm using my straightener. You know, the part of the side of the straightener is always hot most times, so I'm trying to press the hair down. Next, so this is what our hair is looking like. This is our after look. It's better than before. This is what it was looking like, and trust me, I was in love with the hair. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like, subscribe, share this video. Thank you very much. I know you learned something.